4 News Now is your coronavirus headquarters. 144 people tested positive for COVID-19 in North Idaho today. 118 people are being treated in Panhandle hospitals.
In Spokane County, more than 400 people tested positive over the weekend. Today, 169 people tested positive for the virus. Hospitals are treating 197 people with COVID. In this fifth wave, Washington and Idaho keep surpassing records for the number of people in the hospital.
But statewide in Washington, the trend shows slight signs of improvement with a cautionary eye on the future. Eleni Dow shows where Washington is in this fifth wave and explains new worries that lie ahead.
Yeah, well, you can see here that the number of people testing positive for COVID is actually going down. That's the same for people going into hospitals. But even with these numbers trending down, health leaders are nervous about what's to come this winter.
Fewer people testing positive for COVID and coming into hospitals seems like a good thing.
I feel better right this minute that the hospitalizations are starting to go down. However, in late June, early July, we would not have predicted we were going to get the worst. We were going to be in the worst shape ever.
Hospitals are seeing record numbers of people coming in, treating more people than any other time in the pandemic. Even though it looks like things are dropping off a bit, they're nervous. Hospitals are strained, staff are exhausted. Now, flu and RSV season are coming.
The way we're operating right now is our nurses are pretty much being pushed to the max. If we have more flu on top of that, I don't know what our plans are. I just don't see it going very well.
There were few cases of the flu last year, experts crediting it to mask wearing and hand hygiene. But right now, it's too soon to tell what will happen. They're afraid the flu and RSV season could push them over the edge.
Everybody's pretty exhausted in the emergency department and the acute care units and the ICUs. And the idea of facing a surge of yet another thing, another comorbid illness is exhausting.
The best thing you can do to help hospitals, experts say, is to get the flu shot and the COVID vaccine, which you can get at the same time. And you should wear your mask. In studio, Eleni Dow, 4 News Now.